come on now, dog. Come on, man.
What is it? 2020 Road Glide. Okay. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're riding around with my buddy Levi on his 2020 Road Glide, and I'm on the 636. So we're just going to go to Walmart, pick up a belt, and then we're going to be riding around town, hanging out, staying long, and yeah, let's get into it. Perfect. Oh, I left my battery on. Damn, I left my battery on. Push me.
It's an alright wheelie.
Oh, it's terrible.
I've seen cooler ones past the
It
Bevel.
wasn't even warmed up yet, dog.
I've seen cooler ones past the Bevel.
Hey, I'll do another one on the way back.
Do a wheelie on my heart.
Day 365, huh? Yeah.
Dude, I hope my bike starts. No! Gosh dang it. Peg me. Peg me! Ah. Oh man, it's too hot for a sweatshirt today, I tell you what. Oh man, my battery's gonna die on the way out of here too. This is ridiculous. I can't even charge this thing up enough for freaking... Ah, it's gonna be so embarrassing. Man, that is a sweet bike he's got. He picked this bike up. Man, I still haven't released that video either, man. Man, this used to be my spot. I've heel flipped that 6-stair right there. I was never a guy who knew how to kick flip very well, well, when I first learned how to do a kick flip, I was heel flipping, and I thought I was kick flipping. So I learned the heel flip first, and then later someone was like, "Yo, what are you silly? That's not a kick flip." Oh, there he is. I see him. No wheelies. Ready? Turn with no hands. Ooh, speed jump. Yard sale. Jesus. Oh my god, dude. Oh, he turned. Holy cow.
The last couple days when I'm riding going slow, it feels like my shit's a little more vibrating in the front, and it feels like it's kind of doing this. My front wheel. I wonder if it's like a motion or something.
A neck bearing, maybe. What now? Alright, let's go. What are you doing, dude? Come on. Oh, yeah, buckle his helmet now. This used to be the spot, man. They have batting cages, a skate park, and then they got all these trails to hike, and then they have like this off-road BMX park, like a bunch of like dirt jumps and stuff like that. Back in like 7th grade, me and all the boys, my brothers, and oh man, come down here, bring your freaking mongoose or whatever you had, just come back here and destroy it. It was a lot of fun. Oh no, I killed it. Mother. God, son of a. I gotta stop and get a new battery today. This is ridiculous. Break out that charger. I killed it. You got a Phillips screwdriver I can borrow for a second? A Phillips screwdriver? Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Dude had the whole repertoire of tools in there. You should have seen that guy's toolbox, dude. He had like an old candy carton full of tools. Dustin, you're fired, dude. Fired. Gosh dang it, dude. What the heck's going on here? Get it together, dude. Let's give this dude back his tool. Little monkey wrench. Thank goodness.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
You guys have a good day. See, everybody loves that shit. It's hard not to. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. A little bit of wheeling never hurt nobody. That's not exactly true, but hasn't hurt me yet. That's also not true. I was doing a wheelie in the dunes on the 450, and I looped it going about 35, 40 miles an hour. Oh my God, I hit the sand like a sack of bricks. It hurt so bad. I thought I separated my shoulder. Yeah, wheelies hurt. What are you, silly, dude? It's an old lady.